Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and welcome to a brand new Merry Mickmas video. Today we are talking Amazon gifts. So this is my Amazon gift guide for anyone and everyone in your family, and most of the items that I'm going to talk about today range from prices, so like different price points, but most of them are under $50. So that's really exciting. If you have not seen the previous videos in my Merry Mickmas series, then I'll have the playlist linked down below so you can go check those all out. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so and turn on post notifications while you're at it, because there is a lot of content coming your way and you don't want to miss it. And also definitely check out my Instagram, because I'm doing 10 days of giveaways over on there, and you're not going to want to miss that either because it's very good stuff. So go check out my Instagram and let's go ahead and jump into the Amazon gift guide. First thing I wanted to mention is if you are going to be doing any online shopping, by the way, this is not sponsored, although that would be cool if they did. If you are doing any online shopping at all and you don't use Ebates or Honey, I think that's the plugin called, I will have links down below to both. Ebates is one of those websites where you go on and then you click through to the website that you actually want to buy from, and then you get cash back for your purchase. It's legit, it totally works. I try my best to remember to do that every single time so I can get that coin, but it totally works, and especially during the holiday season you definitely want to use this so you can earn a little bit money back. And then Honey is like a coupon discount thing, so I'll have that link down below. It's just a browser connector thing that tells you if there's coupons available for whatever you're going to be purchasing. I've saved some money using that as well, so highly recommend both. But moving on, we're going to talk Amazon. So the first thing I wanted to mention is something I may or may not want on my wish list. For those of you watching, I would like one of these. This is a key finder, because I have lost my keys several times and not known where they are. And you can get little keychain things that go onto your keys and connect to your phone through an app. And that way you can just go on your app when you lose your keys and find out the location of them. I think this is so smart. It's only $25 and everyone should own this. So that's my first gift idea. And if you have a friend or a family member that always loses their keys or anything, this is a great thing to give them. The next gift idea is a felt letterboard. These are super fun and trendy, and if you have a friend that's super fun and trendy, then this would be a great gift. I love these things. I think they're great for decorating for events and parties and just like Instagram pictures and different things like that. So this is something that I've had in my Amazon like wish list for so long. I haven't really purchased it because I have a pink one. If you guys have seen my studio tour thing, I do have one that I really like, but they come in a variety of sizes and colors, and I think this would be a really fun gift to give. Going back to the roots of good old Amazon, I wanted to share some books. So I think that giving anyone a cookbook for Christmas is a lovely idea, even if they don't necessarily cook. I think it's good to have. They're really cute, and if they do actually cook, then get them something that relates to what they like to cook. Two that I can recommend are Cravings by Chrissy Teigen. I know she has a new one out as well. I haven't seen that one, but these are really great. And then the cookbook that I probably use the most when I do baking is the Sweet Bake Shop Delightful Desserts for the Sweetest of Occasions. Highly recommend this. If you guys like baking, it's amazing. Tessa's recipes in here are incredible. She is local to Vancouver, which is really great. But I love everything about this book, and I highly recommend it. If you're looking for a gift that's a little bit more inexpensive, maybe a stocking stuffer, a Secret Santa gift, but you also want to improve the environment, then I highly suggest doing a gift of reusable straws. And I think this is really great. They come in a variety of different types of materials, so you can get like the rubber ones, which we have, you can get glass or metal, or there's even bamboo ones, I think. There's tons of options when it comes to reusable straws, even like the keychain ones now. I think that's really cool. I want one of those. The portable ones. I just think this would be a really great gift, and you're helping save the environment. If you know someone likes using their straws like myself, then I think this is a good gift. This next gift idea I think would be appreciated by anyone, especially during the winter, and that is a heated blanket or a gravity blanket, but I think those are more expensive. But either way, a heated blanket would be so cozy, especially if you live somewhere that snows. I would highly recommend this for like your mom, your grandma, your aunt, anything like that. I honestly think that your pet would want this too. Like, it's just such a good gift, and maybe it's not something that you would particularly buy for yourself, but if you got it as a gift, you'd be like, heck yeah, I'm gonna use that all the time. I feel like I never do a gift guide video without mentioning this, and that's because I'm obsessed with it, and that is my bath tray. Amazon does have a variety of these, and if you have someone in your life that loves taking baths, this is an absolute must. This one has like a wine glass holder and like an iPad or book stand. iPad for me, book for other people. And it's just such a fun gift. And if you know someone loves baths, then this is a great addition. They come in a variety of sizes and colors and different types and everything, and price ranges too. But this is such a thoughtful gift, and you can even pair it with like some Lush bath bombs or something, and it'd make a really, really really good gift. I highly recommend it. Alright, this next gift, I can almost feel the judgment through the screen, but that's alright because I need to share it anyway. This is a gift that I actually got both my parents and Cody last year from Amazon, and it came in these huge boxes, and I just wrapped the boxes and they were so confused as to what it was. So this is a really good gift if you want to like tip people off. It's a squatty potty, and I like it a lot. This one obviously is ours, and it's just to help you poop. Like, I don't know how to like say that, but like this would be a good gift for like your brother or like your dad, or like literally anyone can benefit from this because we all poop. So I love this and I have used it, or like we use it all the time, and it's just like one of those things again that maybe people wouldn't necessarily buy for themselves, but like once they have it and once they use it, they're like, ah, I get it now. So I had to throw that out there. Can get it on Amazon. The next thing on my list is the only thing that was above $50, and that is by Nespresso. This is the milk frother, and I have one of these. Obviously this one is actually still brand new, but it is an amazing milk frother. You can put any type of milk in it and it's gonna froth it up, and you add it to lattes and you can just make your milk all creamy. So if you have a coffee lover in your life and they don't have one of these, I think it'd be a really fun gift. If it's a little bit out of your price range, you can also go in on it with someone else. If you know they have an espresso machine, it's a great pairing. I just highly recommend it. You can also do cold milk, so if you'd rather iced coffees, you can froth your milk and make it cold. It's great, super versatile, and just like such a fun little like gadget gift, but also beneficial because if you like coffee, you're gonna want to put milk in it. The next gift idea is to give a board game as a gift, and I really like this one because you can cater it to whoever you're giving it to, and there's just like endless options when it comes to board games. And again, it's one of those things that people maybe wouldn't buy for themselves, but once they have it to play, and you could even play it right away when you do give the gift. A couple that I wanted to recommend was this first one. This is called The Voting Game, and I recently played this with a bunch of my friends, and it was really fun. You do have to know the group of people you are playing with, but some people get offended really easily, and it's really fun that way. So highly recommend this if you haven't heard of it or haven't played it yet. It's a great one. I believe you can only have 10 people though or something, so just keep that in mind if you're having like a party or something, but this is a really good one. And then when I was searching for Amazon ideas for this video, I found the Mean Girls expansion pack for What Do You Meme, and I thought that was so funny. So if you already have What Do You Meme, then maybe you can look into the expansion packs. I highly recommend that one. I think it'd be so fun to play, and I just think that board games are a really good like bring people together type of gift, and it'd make a good one. And the last gift idea I have for you guys is to give a pill case, and this one isn't actually from Amazon. This is a Henry Bendel one that I carry with me absolutely everywhere. I get questions on it all the time, but I keep a ton of my jewelry in here, as well as my Sage roller balls and Pepto pills for stomach issues. And I just think this is such a great little thing to have, especially if you're a girl and you have things like this to carry around, and Advil and crampy things and like all the other things that we need to carry on a daily basis. And I was looking for something similar like this on Amazon, and I came across jewelry cases that are good for travel, which I think would be, again, just a really good gift if you have someone in your life that travels a lot. So I'll link some of those down below, but they did also have similar carrying cases like this. They're called pill cases, and I think Vera Bradley was the brand that had them, and they're super cute, very tropical, and I just think that would be a really great gift if you know someone carries around a lot of stuff like myself and maybe needs something a little bit more cute and discreet to keep it in. Highly recommend that. So that is everything I wanted to share for this Amazon gift guide video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know in a comment down below what your top favorite Amazon purchase has ever been. Like the best thing you've ever purchased on Amazon. I want to know what that is in the comments down below. And if you are shopping last minute for holidays, hopefully a lot of these items are prime, so you can get them in time for Christmas if you're like running a little late and cutting it a little close. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.